Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be a pack with me for New York City, and I am showing you the luggage that I'm choosing to use, which is this silver lightweight luggage that I got off of Amazon. And let me tell y'all, luggage was very inexpensive. It came in a pack of 3 for only $98. So let's get right into the video. I'm starting out packing my shoes first, and I am just unzipping this little film where that you could place your shoes underneath, and what it does is it keeps the shoes from getting your clothes dirty. So once I have the shoes in there, I'll just zip up the bag, and I'm going to press down to get as much air out as I can to maximize my space, and then I'll go into my clothes. So I take my jeans and I roll them really tightly. Well, normally I roll tight. This time I wasn't rolling as tight because honestly I'm not packing as much stuff, but I'm just rolling all of my clothing items. So what you're seeing here is that I'm putting all my jeans and bottoms on this side and securing it with the straps. So next I'm moving along to the other side of my luggage where I'm going to put dresses, tops, things like that. So same method, I'm rolling my tops and placing them all in. Lastly, I'm topping this side off with my hat and then just zipping it up. So now you see me moving on to adding in my undergarments and other items into the zip. So inside my toiletry kit, I have some micellar water, oil for my hair, eco styler gel for my edges, conditioner for my hair, some body oil, and some Dr. Bronner soap and Cetaphil face wash. So then I'm adding in my wipes, my deodorant, a toothbrush and toothpaste, a lint roller, a headband, and just a shower cap. I'm rearranging so that my bag can be flat as possible, and we're ready to go. It is done. You can zip your bag up now. Didn't have to put too much force on the bag either. It closed pretty easily. So moving along to my personal bag, I have this Vera Bradley Weekender bag. Shout out to my cousin Star for sending it to me. It has a lot of compartments and a big pocket up front. So the first thing that I'm adding is my blanket because I'm always cold. Next, I'm adding in my makeup bag and this black bag that I have all of my brushes and sponges inside of. Actually going to add that bag inside of my makeup bag. I have this small pouch with personal items in it just in case Aunt Flo decides she wants to show up. And then my wallet, shower shoes because don't nobody got time to be walking on no dirty floors in no hotel. And lastly, this little Steve Madden purse that I'm deciding to bring. It's just a little shoulder bag, something easy to carry along. So we're all packed up with our personal bag. It has plenty of room left inside of it in case I want to do shopping. It's not heavy at all. And it also is a shoulder strap, so if you decide you want to carry it that way, you can. Also, I wanted to show y'all this cool little slit on the bag, and I will show you in the next clip what it does. So if you want to slide your bag over your handle on your luggage, you can, and that will hold the bag securely in place. You can wrap the straps around the arm. And that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. This is pretty much what my luggage looks like. And lastly, I wanted to show you guys what I was wearing at the airport just to give you any other ideas. Thanks for watching. Have a great night, y'all. Bye.